Pairing and connecting with an iPhone. The operation to register the device that you wish to connect to is called pairing. First, pair a device to use it with the headset for the first time. Before starting the operation, make sure of the following. The iPhone is placed within 1 meter 3.2 feet of the headset. The headset is charged sufficiently. The operating instructions for the iPhone is in hand. Enter pairing mode on this headset. When you pair the headset with a device for the first time after purchase or after initializing the headset, when there is no pairing information on the headset, remove both headset units from the charging case. The headset turns on automatically. The headset enters pairing mode automatically. You will hear a notification sound and the voice guidance say, pairing, from both headset units at the same time. When you pair a second or subsequent device, the headset has pairing information for other devices. Set the headset units into the charging case. Leave the charging case lid open. With the charging case lid open, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the charging case for about 5 seconds or more. Indicator, blue, on the charging case repeatedly flashes twice in a row and the headset goes into pairing mode. You can remove the headset from the charging case after entering pairing mode. Unlock the screen of the iPhone, if it is locked. Find the headset on the iPhone. Select Settings, Touch, Bluetooth. Touch the switch to turn on the Bluetooth function. Touch WFC 700N. If passkey input is required, input 0000. The headset and iPhone are paired and connected with each other. When the headset is placed in the charging case, the indicator, blue, on the charging case flashes 10 times. When the headset is being removed from the charging case, you will hear a notification sound indicating that the connection is established from both headset units, or from the headset unit removed from the charging case when only one headset unit is removed, at the same time.